Welcome to the Granny Square series. In this video we're going to look at how to make this lovely sunshiny square. It's made with clusters and I've used two colours just to highlight the sunshine look in the middle, and this would be a great square to do stripes with different colours on each round. So let's get started. Starting with a double magic circle. I'm using DK acrylic yarn with a 4mm hook. I'm going to chain one, and we're going to make 12 US doubles, UK trebles into the double magic circle. So make your first US double, UK treble, however you like to do that. And then we're going to make 11 more. So I'll see you at the end of the round. I'm just making my last stitch now, so I've got 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's pull the circle tight. And then pull the tail. So we're just going to slip stitch to join. And that's the end of round one. So for round two, we're going to make a cluster, a 2-stitch cluster with US doubles, UK trebles into each stitch, with a chain one between each stitch. So I'm just going to chain two to begin, and then I'm going to make my first cluster. So I start my first US double, UK treble, then I start my second. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops to finish. So then I'm just going to chain one and move into the next stitch. And we're going to go all the way around like so, and I shall see you at the end of the round. I'm just making my last cluster now. So I should have 12 clusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we're going to chain one, and we're going to slip stitch into the first cluster we made. And then we're going to slip stitch into the chain space. So in this round, we're going to make 3-stitch clusters with US doubles, UK trebles, with a chain 2 space between. And we're going to make each cluster into the chain 1 space from before. So 3-stitch clusters with chain 2 space. So I'm going to chain 2 to start. And I'm going to make my first 3-stitch cluster. So that's once, twice, and then the 3rd time, and chain 2, and then we hop across to the next chain 1 space, and we make another 3-stitch cluster. Chain 2, and so on, and I'll see you at the end of the round. So that's my last cluster stitch. I'm going to chain 2 and then slip stitch into the first cluster. I'm then going to slip stitch into the chain space, and we're going to start, that's the end of round 3. So I'm going to start round 4. I'm going to change colour. You can carry on in the same colour if you want, but I'm going to cut my yarn and change colour. So starting with a slip knot, if you've changed colour, we're going to go back in where we just finished the last round, so that if you haven't changed colour, we're all in the same place, yeah. And we're then going to chain 1. So into that chain 2 space, we're going to make a US single, UK double, and then 2 half US doubles, UK trebles. Whoops. Yeah, we're going to hop across into the next chain 2 space, and this is going to be our corner. We're going to make a US 2 US doubles, UK trebles. We're then going to make 1 US treble, UK double treble. We're then going to chain 2, or chain 1 if you prefer. Just get that bit of fluff off. We're then going to make 1 US treble, UK double treble. We then make 2 US doubles, UK trebles, all into that same chain 2 space for the corner, yeah? So that's 1 and then 2. So we have 6 stitches in the corner. We then hop across to the next chain 2 space and we make 2 US half doubles, UK half trebles, and we make 1 US single, UK double. And that's our repeat. So we're going to go round doing the same thing in each to make each corner. Yeah, so in the next chain 2 space, we make a US single, UK double, 2 US half doubles, UK half trebles, and then into the next space for the corner. So 2 US doubles, UK trebles, 1 US treble, UK double treble, chain 1 or 2, whichever you did in the last corner, and then 1 US treble, UK double treble, 2 US doubles, UK trebles, and then we hop into the next chain space. So 2 US half doubles, UK half trebles. Oops. My yarn was pulling. Let me do that one again. Make that one again. So 2 half US doubles, UK trebles, and then 1 US single, UK double. And we've made half the square. So I'm gonna go round and I'll meet you at the end. So when we get to the end of our square, we're just going to slip stitch across to join. Yeah, and then I'm going to chain 2 and we can cut the yarn. Push that down. And then you can block that. And there's our nice sunny cluster sunshine square. I'll see you in the next video.